Hi there, my name is Lee with New Use Energy. Today we're going to talk about wiring solar panels in series versus parallel and what that means. So let me describe to you what wiring in series means first. What it is I have two solar panels here. Each solar panel has a positive lead, which is this one here, and a negative, which is this one here, right? So each one has a positive and a negative. Wiring them in series simply means you're attaching the two solar panels. See, I'm attaching the negative to the positive, end to end. And what you have is what they call a series string, right? So these solar panels are attached to each other. And what the net effect is you're multiplying the voltage of one solar panel by two, by connecting the two of them together. So this is an 18-volt solar panel. By wiring them in series, I now have a 36-volt series string.